paying off your debt with Ynab is straightforward. Start by making a list of all your debts, including credit cards, loans, and other outstanding balances. Include the total amount owed, interest rates, and minimum monthly payments for each debt. In your Ynab budget, create categories specifically for each of your debts and assign names based on the type of debt. Allocate funds from your budget towards debt repayment by budgeting money directly to your debt categories. Determine how much extra you can afford to put towards debt repayment each month, prioritizing debts with the highest interest rates first. Record all debt payments in Ynab under the corresponding debt categories to accurately reflect your debt balances in your budget. Regularly monitor your budget and adjust your debt repayment categories as needed, reallocating funds to accelerate payoff when possible. Apply windfalls, such as tax refunds or bonuses, and any extra income towards debt repayment to make significant progress quickly. Celebrate your progress along the way by setting milestones and rewarding yourself for reaching them to stay motivated. As you work towards paying off your debts, avoid accumulating new debt whenever possible. Stick to your budget and spending plan to ensure you're not adding to your debt burden.